Hey guys, Kurt here again with NK Garage, and today we have a SK tool haul. Everything in this haul is all SK and all American made. It's not a big one, it's a smaller one. I got this on a eBay auction and I already opened it up. I kind of already went through it. I was kind of excited when it came in, but I got everything laid out on the table and let's take a look. All right guys, so take a look at that. Now, there's not a lot of pieces here, but they sure are nice. These are all older vintage USA made SK tools, and they all came from the same tool lot. I won this auction on eBay about a week ago. I think I paid just a little over $100 after shipping and tax, and I'm definitely happy. You know, there's not too much here, but everything that's here is in really good shape, and it's all really good stuff. The reason why I wanted this tool haul, well, you see it right there in the back. That's a 3/4 inch drive SK ratchet. It's the 47170, and it's in pretty damn good shape. I mean, like, if you look there at the end, it's, you know, it looks like it's been barely used. You know, there's not a lot of sign of wear and tear. The ratchet works great. I still have to open it up and clean it and lubricate it. But there's no engravings on it. There's no big scratches or big pieces of chrome peeling. Just a little normal wear and tear, and everything on it works perfect. So that was a really good piece to get out of that tool haul. Then I got two 3/8 drive ratchets. Both 45170. One of them is the SK Tools, and the other one just says SK. Other than that, they're pretty similar, and they're both in pretty good shape. And then I got this little gem, SK Wayne 40970 1/4 inch drive ratchet, and this thing is really nice as well. It's super nice and tight in there. The ratchet works really well. And once I clean and grease it, it's going to be even better. Definitely happy to have that and the 3/4 drive. I come across the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch drive stuff very often, but the 1/4 drive and the 3/4 drive was definitely, you know, something that I was happy to see. And take a look at this 1/4 inch drive breaker bar. I mean, that's like barely used. Looks like it just sat in the toolbox and it was preserved for all those years. It's nice and tight up here. There's not any play at all. A little anvil and the ball bearing to keep the sockets on. Everything is just so nice about it. And the logo is easy to read and everything is clean. I got this longer 3/8 drive extension. It's obviously seen some use, but that's okay. It's still in good shape. And then I also got this 1/4 inch drive ratchet renewal kit. And it looks like it's a brand new, never used ratchet repair kit. Made in USA, one of the older ones, nicely preserved in that package. So that was pretty cool to find as well. I also got this smaller ball peen hammer by SK, and a fiberglass handle in here. It's pretty lightweight and easy to use. It's number 8508, and it's definitely used, but it's in good shape, and it's definitely a cool piece because not a lot of guys, you know, would spend the money on the SK hammer. You know, they would just get, you know, a cheaper one, or, you know, some of those older wood handle ones that crack. And then there was two swivel joint sockets for 3/8 drive, a 14mm and a 15mm. And these things are like unused, like almost new old stock condition. There's still like some of the original like protective oil coating on the joint and everything. Really nice, really cool stuff. Got this little 1/4 inch drive case, and the case itself is pretty good. I mean, there's a little rust in the corner here, but no major dents or anything like that. Came with an assortment of sockets in here. They're not all from the same age or version of SK, so some of them might have been replaced at some point. I'm not sure what came in the original kit. When I got it, they had put the ratchet and the breaker bar was in there. So I don't know what's original and what's not, but these cases are really cool. The hammered green finish, and then we got the bigger one right here. This one I think is even nicer. Just a little wear on the corners here, but it's nice and square. The hinge works really well. The original SK thing is still in there, and everything's nice about it. And then I got 4 wrenches here, 3/4 inch, 5/8, 1/2 inch, and this one's a 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch is SK tools, but the other ones here are just the normal, the SK. And those are all really good and in really nice shape. So it's just a quick little tool haul here, but I wanted to show you guys this stuff. And you know, I know I'm not going to keep everything from this tool haul, but I'm definitely going to keep that 3/4 drive ratchet and maybe a couple other pieces. But wanted to show you guys, you know, what you can get if you're willing to wait and keep persistent. You can get this kind of stuff just on an eBay auction. I do search a lot. You know, I'm always on the hunt for more tools and tool deals and rare stuff. So when I saw this one pop up, the 3/4 drive ratchet just caught my eye, and kind of had to have it. So thank you guys for watching this video today. I know it's a short one, but I think it's a nice, interesting tool haul here. So leave a comment. Let me know, you know, what do you think the nicest piece here is? And see you guys on the next one.